I'm tryna make it off the block. They told me you get lonely when you pop, but I've been lonely all my life. Guess I was made for the top. Been grinding all my life and it ain't never gonna stop. Niggas plotting for my life and they forever gonna plot.
Alright, what's good, YouTube, man? I'm back. This is after the gym. You know what I'm saying? Does it look like it worked? Do it look like it worked a little bit? It worked a little bit. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. But I'm about to left the grocery store and everything. About to make my breakfast. And I was like, why not? I'm getting better at bringing it onto my life. So I said, why not let y'all see how I make the breakfast? You know what I mean? Winter, it's almost over. And I think that summer energy is coming back. I hibernated this winter. I don't know about what y'all did. I hibernated. Bro, no, everything went slowed down. My workouts, all that slowed down. But I feel the energy coming back. So let's tap into it, man. I'm about to show you how I make my breakfast. But we got the Nature Promise pancake mix. We got some pepper ridge swirl cinnamon bread. We got some overly expensive ass cinnamon and vanilla infused syrup. Now, I got 18 minutes to make this breakfast because that's how much storage I got left on this SD card. So, first thing I like to do is get my pans nice and hot. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see me. I can see me a little bit. Nah, man, get the pans nice and hot. So, in this pan, we're going to put some diced potatoes. In that pan, we're going to start the pancakes. We gotta let them get a little hot first. Keep them on high for about 60 seconds. 60 to 120. Now these are Arbello frozen diced potatoes. Need some butter. And we don't have bacon. I thought there would be bacon left, but I think they threw it out. I don't need no bacon anyway. So, boom, got us some butter. Alright. I'm gonna drop these down to low heat. And let me see. I'm gonna do a little time lapse right quick and I'm gonna come back. Alrighty now. So this is what I got so far. I made a tad bit of a mess, but not. Alright. So this is everything. A cup of the batter, a cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. What I like to throw in mine is this right here. Original organic pumpkin spice. Simply organic. Don't panic. It's organic. Get a good amount of that in there. And then you can even, if you really want to, I'm trying to find where my honey at. I don't know where my big ass jar of honey is. Back up in the cut. Almost dropped it. Alrighty. Just a dash, not nothing crazy. Just a little dollop. A little dollop. Nothing too crazy, just a little something like that. That's some honey. Gotta mix that bad boy up. A lot of stirring, man. Good thing we did arm day. So basically, done with the pancake batter. Both of the pans is nice and hot. Need to scramble up these eggs. Yeah, and they went 4 for 4 from the field. Am I the only one that tried to get them little white shits out the eggs? One of the easiest ways to make all your food good is to take your time. Eggs is cracked. I'm about to drop some butter in this pan and get those potatoes cooking. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this before my storage run out. We're gonna see though. I worked a lot of kitchen jobs, if y'all wondering how I know how to cook. Hoping it's too bad. These ones come with peppers in them. I didn't know that. I don't want the peppers now. Take them out while they frozen. I ain't gonna get all of them. I ain't want these damn green and red peppers. I ain't want them shits little frozen green and red peppers. I ain't know they was in that jar. I grabbed the wrong one. Yeah, with onions and peppers. I grabbed the wrong fucking one. Dang, I don't want these damn onions nor peppers. It is what it is at this point, chat. Gotta turn it back up to high. Yeah, probably like a little bit over medium. A little bit over medium. Bro, watch this. This is the real superpower, right? You know, in all black households, you got like this little seasoning area over here, right? Let me show y'all how to season. I'm gonna just throw out the names. So we got cinnamon. Yes, on the potatoes. We got hazelnut. I mean, pumpkin spice. I'm about to show y'all how to make the best potatoes y'all ever tasted. Either you listen or you don't. All right, boom. Then you go back to that honey, that trusty dusty honey. Let me see, I need a cleaner. Get a nice little fork and just dip it into the honey. Nothing even too crazy. Not too much, but definitely more than you put into the pancake batter because this is just gonna burn off. And then we made it sweet. Now we still want to taste some savory, some savoriness. We got Lowry seasoned salt. Know what I'm saying? We got Lowry adobo. Throw it on chicken and go good on everything. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You don't gotta believe me. And then we gonna go on with not even the Old Bay. I ain't gonna go. I ain't gonna go seafood on them. Drop some can't even talk. We dropped pumpkin spice on the ground. I think that's a good look. Then we gonna hit the saison. Y'all know everything make saison make everything better. See that nice little orange tint. You know you went for a treat. Ah damn, it's a little too much. It's a little too much. Y'all know this gold. This gold in the black household. You know how your mama fold that back up, boy? You use one of these packets, you liable to get put out. Now we mix. Oh, I should have showed y'all what it looked like. Nice and seasoned, not overpowered, but just nice and seasoned. And the heat gotta be high when you cooking these potatoes, bro. Cause you want that nice golden crust. You see that orange redness I was telling y'all about from the saison? Oh my god. But with that honey and then all those other seasonings, yeah, I don't even know. Alright, so now I'm just really about to cook everything else, so I'm gonna put it in time lapse mode while I do the pancakes and everything. Hold up, let me get y'all a better view. time lapse time.
Cause I got feelings, I still feel them, but I keep them down to size. They don't hear it when I spill them unless I put them in the rhymes. That's exactly where I put them, they don't hear me otherwise. I might hit them with a smile, yeah, them dying inside. Only time I'm feeling love when they reside in my lines. So many places I ain't been yet, I'm still trying to get to. Put it in my system.
I forgot my fork, bro. Go give me a fork right quick. I cleaned everything but that last pan. Got one, I still gotta clean that pan, but other than that, can't even tell I was in here. That's how it's supposed to go. And I forgot to get the drinks from not forgot. Yeah, I don't know if y'all seen when I went to go get the drinks, and I was like, I'm gonna just get a gallon of water or a pack of waters. I never got the pack of waters. So, luckily, I got like just enough for like one more bev. Cause I was about to be sick if I ain't had nothing to drink. Told you. Just enough. Definitely gonna be sipping on that. Yeah, what y'all think, man? I'm really a chef? I think so. But yeah. Appreciate y'all for tuning into that cooking video. Like, comment, subscribe. And send this to a nigga that don't know how to make breakfast.
King Larry, I said they don't fuck the game up. Pussy niggas steady acting gangster like they changed up. I done been a gangster since a jet, I stayed the same, huh? Nigga talking crazy on the net, I be on flames, huh? Damn, I said they should be ashamed, huh? Nigga running crazy, crashing out just for a name, huh? Now they got like nothing but your name, so who to blame, huh? I might go 100 in this lane, that's what it's made for. Yeah. I swear that's what I slave for. Just to go on